On your main dashboard, you'll notice a blue plus sign. If you click on it, it'll bring up a list of items. At the top, there'll be a blue kettlebell that says workout. If you click on that, it's going to bring out all your workout programs, but you can also create your own workout of the day. Now, this is only going to create the workout once. It won't exist in your library, so you'll have to create it again if you want to do it again in the future. In order to build your own workout, you'll click exercise and you'll add any exercises that you want to. You can also search for exercises if you don't see them as you're scrolling through. There's a lot of them in there, so you might want to search for them if you know which ones you want. Next, you'll be able to change the sets, reps, and weight of the exercises to change your target. You can also change the type of target to a timed one if you want as well. You can change your rest period or add in extra rests, and you can also change it to no rest if you would like. You can also superset exercises to where you'll have to do them back to back right away, or you can space them out individually. Make sure to save it when you're done so that you don't lose it, and then it'll be scheduled, and you can change it to a different day as well if you would like, and you'll see the bubble for that workout there.